got a Koski behind us, bro. Alright, we're gonna see. Should I pull up? Just vibe out? Let's see what the bull says. Yeah, I guess he don't care, bro. What the hell? Well, if he don't care, I'm gonna keep shredding, bro. The only reason I pulled over. Yo, what the hell, bro? I just plopped out here. I'm pulling some wheel seats. Next thing you know, a freaking copper comes through. Oh, he's right there. And yeah, we're freaking out here. Alright, so what is up, gang? It's your boy YZ450F MotoBroo. I'm at the lot just cruising. There's a cop over here. I don't know if he's trolling with me or what he's doing, but I waved at him. He seemed cool. He hasn't turned around yet, so yeah, we're out here. Today we're going to be doing a little review on my YZ450. As you can see, we got the big 450 here. But yeah, so this is my first 450 I've ever owned in my life. I've never owned a 250 dirt bike, so I went straight from, I guess I owned the YZ400, which is similar, but this is just so much more powerful than a YZ. Even compared to a 250, bro, this thing is just, it's a whole nother beast. But if you guys are thinking about like, yo, MotoBroo, should I get a 250 or 450? I'm gonna let you know right now. If you've never ridden a 250, I suggest getting a 250, bro, because going straight from like a little like pit bike or some other smaller bike like a YZ125 straight to a big 450, it's sketchy. I ain't gonna lie, it's sketchy. Now, if you've had a YZ400 and you're comfortable riding, I definitely say just go for the 450. But to be honest, I want to get a 250 also, just to feel the difference between the both bikes. Woo! But as y'all can see, we're getting a little comfy on this bad boy. We freaking swerving all the way around here, boy. Let's hit a one-hand swerve around this thing. Woo! One-hand swerve, let's go! Oh my gosh. And yeah, there's a cop right up here still. He hasn't kicked me out, so we're just gonna keep flossing until he says something. But yeah, what I was saying, like a 450 compared to a 250, the 250 is just, it's lighter, it's like 30 pounds lighter, and it's just easier to control. So if like you're thinking about stepping up from your pit bike, I say definitely go to a 250 first. Don't get me wrong, there's something about that big 450 that just gets you going, bro. Like, for me at least, like, I don't know, there's something about this 450. Woo! You can just, oh my god, I wanted to hit that turn, but messed up. I don't know, there's something about that 450 power. It's just, it's that big 450, that's all I can say. That big 450 out here. You know, we hitting U's all day out here, bro. And one of the biggest things, I said this in my other video, is putting street tires on, bro. These goddamn street tires improved my riding. Not like combos and stuff, it sort of made combos a little bit harder. But like for me, like I love combos and stuff, but I love more just swerving, bro. For me, just swerving all around the place, there's just nothing like it. And for all my homies who haven't seen my street tire video where I put the street tires on this and tested out, I got the Shinkos, and yeah, these have made the biggest difference ever on the bike. Man, all I can say, bro, this 450, bro, she's my baby, bro. Every time I hop on the bike, I start to get a little more used to it. Things are starting to get a little more easier. The power's more controllable. So I'm about like a month into owning this bike, and as you can see, like, your boy's feeling pretty uncomfortable. I still ain't on my freaking DRZ swag on this bike. I haven't gotten that comfortable as I was with my DRZ. So some people are like, bro, I missed the DRZ, like the way you ride that shit. And like, brother, just wait. I just got this bike, just wait, dude. I'm about to be flossing. I'm about to be flossing, you dig? Like, look at these swerves, bro. Woo! So no hands? Are you kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Hit that stop. Hit that freaking the horn. Babe, babe, babe. Well, we hit that horn and we were just freaking flossing. So we got the copper right there, but he's chilling. He don't really care, which is nice. Alright, Let's hit a hand drag. Ah, dude. For some reason, them hand drags, bro. For some reason, I can't get them hand. I'm gonna go one more right here. Dude, I gotta be so close. Oh my god, it's so bright right here. Dude, I gotta be like, I need to videotape myself because I literally gotta be like inches away, dude. So yeah, when I first got this bike, I was like, oh my god, this thing is like a lot of power. I don't know if I'll be able to control it. But now, being like a month into riding the bike, it really does feel a lot more comfortable. As y'all can see, we swerving all around the place, bro. Bro, it's so freaking fun, bro. Like, I'm enjoying the YZ so much just on how smooth it is. Like, you can like look at my gas pedal. Like, I lost it right there. But like, you can literally barely move the gas because it's like, this is my first fuel injected bike. I haven't even talked about that, but this is fuel injected. And if you're coming from a carbureted bike to a fuel injected bike, you're gonna be in love with the full injection. You're gonna say, F all that carb bullshit, F all that carb clogging up and all that bullshit. Give me a nice fuel injected. Another one of my favorite things on this bike is tuning it. It ain't like a two-stroke, it ain't as fun as a two-stroke, but like, listen to this, you can really like make some noise. Yeah, we were in like first gear. Yeah, let's go, you know the vibe. We gotta stay away from this area. They're gonna call that cop back over here. They're gonna be like, bruh. Oh my god, dude, I'm in love. I'm in love with this YZ, bro. Like, it's definitely getting up there with the YZ125. Like, for the longest time, the YZ125 was my favorite bike. But just this 4-stroke and having the 125 is literally the best of both worlds. So like, I suggest having that 2-stroker and a nice 4-stroke so you can just shred both different styles whenever you're in the mood. And of course, that's if, you know, life grants that. I know these bikes are expensive and they just keep going up, bro. Like, these bikes ain't getting cheaper, but it's just dope to be alive in a time like, you know, we're blessed just to be alive in this time and generation where we got dirt bikes we can shred around. Like, it's just such a blessing, bro. And yeah, hopefully you guys count your blessings, bro, because before you know it, things can change really quick. So always count your blessings, stay positive. Remember, life is a roller coaster. So stay motivated. Freaking hit me up on Instagram, Snapchat, comments, whatever. If you have any questions or anything like that, I'll freaking love you. Till next time. Peace.